In this video, I'm going to show you how I made my Premier Rush island in Animal Crossing. So the first thing I did was try to figure out what furniture I wanted to use for it. I also was figuring out how I was going to do the logos and if I was going to import them or if I was going to design them myself. I ended up using a mix and changed it depending on what items I was customizing. I built mountains around it and I imported this phone screenshot so that I could have the app actually on the floor, and designed this pillow so that you could move a video across the timeline. Then I had to clean up a bit, sorry Lucky, and Buck was working out for some reason. I also put the timeline in other parts of the island to show that you could take videos in different sections and edit different types of videos. And I made this Premier Rush logo for the sand to match the whole island theme, and I thought it was super cool. I made this Premier Rush area in my house so that I could show how you can edit at home or when you're on the go.